Today we're making almond milk. We drink a lot of almond milk in our home, and it's so simple, only two ingredients, water and almonds. So I took a whole cup of raw almonds and I soaked it overnight in water. In the morning I drained it, put it in the blender and added 3 cups of filtered water. Then I slowly started the blender and progressively went to the highest setting for about 45 seconds to a minute. You will see the color will start being milky and white, and that's when you know it's done. Although the time of blending will depend on your blender. Then I strained it first with a fine mesh strainer, and then after that through a dish towel. I liked mine a little thinner. I don't want too much pulp, so I strained it twice. You can see even on the second round of straining, I got quite a lot of pulp left behind. Then you squeeze all that pulp and get as much milk out as you can. And that's it, your milk is done. It's that easy to make almond milk. I did find my funnel after this, but yes, it is easier to put it in bottle with a funnel. This will keep for about a week in your fridge, but in my family it will be gone before that. I hope you try, leave some comments, and enjoy your almond milk. I'll see you next time.